The opposition on the first day of the Khadc winter session on Wednesday cornered the NPP-led executive committee, expressing their unhappiness as they were provided with the revised list of business just 2 minutes before the session commenced. The EC has decided to table the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Lineage Amendment Bill 2023 and the United Khasi Jaintia Hills District Fishery Amendment Bill 2023 during the current session. Leader of opposition in the Khadc, Titor Starwell Khain, even thumped the desk to express his strong resentment on the alleged dictatorial attitude of the NPP-led executive committee.
Khadc Indonesia yang the list of business advisory. But at the last session, the current Kabashai have been able to build so far. I told me, Nakumunu RIC to the Damde Act in the Tabaruba, Nakuru, Namabura, Mamakasan. Nakumunu RIC in your study of the bill. Lemana Diorabil, Kaju can come at the last session, Kaju Pilet Bantan. Kainami. Ini beli bapilek dua ini, bumbu roti ini kenapa? Kalau orang berbuat bah,